guys, I have a new product with me. It is called Fluval Aquavac Plus. This is a battery operated gravel cleaner and water changer. So have you ever wondered how you can remove the waste and do water changes from your aquarium on a daily basis? This product can help you do it. Now it is a bit expensive. If you don't have the money to spend for it, don't buy it. It has some pros and cons of its own. I will discuss about it in detail. So let's get started. So in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing this Fluval Aquavac Plus. Now I don't recommend it to the aquarium hobbyist because it has its functions of its own. It is not that powerful as the normal method of aquarium cleaning, that is the gravity cleaning you used to do, but it can be handy for everyday treating your aquarium. Like one day you saw some amount of dirt inside your aquarium and you want to quickly remove it or clean it from the aquarium and give an extra look, then this product can be very handy for you. So if you want to check out the price and buy it, the links are in video descriptions. Check it out and buy it from there. It will help me as well. So this is the Fluval Aquavac Plus. I will unbox it and show you how to use it. Inside the package we get this body with the battery holder and the filter section. Then we get some pipes for siphoning out the dirt and water. Then we have the hose for water changes and an extra sponge for usage. We have also the instruction manuals. You can use it to completely know about it. It has two functions. It can be used for gravel cleaning as well as for water changes. Now next I will tell you how to assemble this and use it for aquarium cleaning purposes. Now this is the main body. It has the battery section as well as the filter section, and the motor is also at the bottom. And these are the pipes that we attach at the bottom of the motor section. So this is for small aquariums and the another one is for larger aquariums, and also there is a battery provided with the product itself, so you don't have to purchase it. So this is the battery used. I think it is a size C battery, and the battery section is on the upper side. You have to flip the switches like this and open up the top. Here the battery goes inside, and I think it is completely waterproof. You can dip that inside water after the top lid is tied shut. Now there is the switch, on off switch, and this is the motor end. You can attach the pipe like this. This is the pipe for larger aquarium, that is the suction pipe. Another one is for smaller aquariums. You can easily use in planted aquarium as well. Now there is a lid at the side for water changes. You can attach the hose and do water changes with the same Fluval Aquavac Plus. Now if you flip the switches, you can switch between water change and gravel cleaning options. Now this is the filter section. It can be removed and you can change the sponges inside this. The top is the red one and the bottom is the black one. So a normal sponge is already provided. You can replace it with the white sponge you can see at the bottom. So assembling this filter section is bit tough. It is very difficult. I also saw a product, a pro version of this Fluval Aqua Plus, and in that the filter section it can be easily removed, cleaned and easily attached. But this Fluval Aquavac Plus, the filter section is not that easy to remove, and it is not easy to reattach it as well. So there goes the filter section back, the top red lid and the bottom one is black lid. And there it goes, you can attach it back. The top one is the red lid and the bottom one is the black lid, so it always creates a confusion. If you remember it, it would be very easy. And this is the user manual. If you read it, you can completely understand how this product works and how you can use it. Firstly, I will tell you how you can use it for bare bottom tanks. I have a discus breeding tank which is bare bottom, and I'm using this Fruval Aquavac Plus for cleaning the dirts inside it. As you can see, the dirts are coming out, but it is not that strong as you use in a normal siphon filter, where after siphoning the water comes out through gravity. That pull is much stronger than this Fruval Aquavac Plus, but it surely picks up the dirt. As you can see here, the dirts are cleaning out easily, but it will take some time. So the dirt has been completely trapped inside the filter section. Now I will open it and show you what type of dirts and how much amount is trapped inside the filter section and how to clean it. So most of the dirts are trapped inside the filter cartridge. Only very fine particle can escape it, and you can replace the filter cartridge with the fine filter pad. Then most of the dirts will be trapped inside. You can clean the filter cartridge parts under tap water or in a bucket with water, and all the dirts will easily come out. A quick update, my red valentine discus are laying eggs. If you want to see more of such videos, please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification. Now I am testing the Fruval Aquavac Plus in aquariums with gravel. Now I have a discus grower tank in which the gravel is like sugar like sand. So you can see that the Fruval Aquavac Plus is picking up the dirts, but it is not that strong, as I said earlier, against the gravity siphon. You can submerge the Aquavac Plus completely inside water if all the battery section lids are closely tied. Now next I will try the Aquavac Plus to clean out heavy waste like turtle waste. This is my turtle and I'm trying to clean the turtle waste inside it. As you can see that the turtle waste are not picking up by the Aquavac Plus. So for this case, the gravity siphon is the best method to clean out. So like I said earlier, this product can be used for gravel cleaning as well as for water changes. There is a lever, white lever, as you can see here. If you turn it, you can switch between water change and gravel cleaning. So for water changes, you can either use a bucket and place it near the aquarium, or you can use a long hose and take the water outside to your gardens or wherever you want to throw it. So for changing water, you have to remove this cap and then attach the hose like this. Now switch the white lever, as you can see here, into water change mode. Now you can place the Aquavac Plus inside the aquarium and turn on the motor. So you can see here it is siphoning out water from the aquarium, and I am collecting it in a bucket. If you have long hose, you can collect the water into your gardens as well, and it is very good for the plant as well. So after some time, if you switch off the motor, you can see that still the water is coming out due to the gravity. So like I said earlier, this Aquavac Plus is very useful for everyday cleaning of your aquarium. So you don't have to do water change every day or use net and other complicated stuff for cleaning out the dirt. You can use this Aquavac Plus. It can easily clean out the small amount of waste from your aquarium every day, and the beauty of your aquarium will be much more. So the only problem is that the filter cartridge is very difficult to disassemble and reassemble and take out the filter pad and clean it. So in the Aquavac Pro versions, it is much easier to remove the filter, which is not found in this version. So anyway, this is a cheaper version and it is not good for heavy dirt cleaning. For light dirt cleaning it is very good. Like every day if you clean the dirt, then the dirt will be also less and you can use this product every day as well. So for light dirt cleaning, I certainly recommend this gravel cleaner. Buy it from the links in the video description, it will help me out as well. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching so far. Bye and take care, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification. Thanks for watching.